Mustang Coupe. Now, of course, they're metal and rubber. The important thing is relationship with the people around you, and we're just having fun. Isolation Kills is for the people that are struggling, and there's the logo. Go to Isolation Kills and check it out if you know somebody struggling with depression. But I'm gonna just say that we're having fun here at MustangMedic, and of course I'm standing in front of her again. If you Google MustangMedic 1969 Shelby GT500, you'll see me talking about this car at the Philadelphia Auto Show. And here's a link for the Philadelphia Auto Show. It usually goes in the upper right hand corner, so there's the link if you want to see many cars, including this gorgeous Shelby. And props out to you, the woman in the Netherlands that knows Michael Wright, who has a car like this, same color, GT350 Shelby. I showed you guys a picture of it in the snow on Facebook. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Shelby love by a woman out in the Netherlands. I think it's the Netherlands. Correct me, Michael, downstairs, down there, if I'm wrong, but I think it was Netherlands. It's in a foreign country from the US. I guess we're all foreign countries, right? If you're in the Netherlands, the US is a foreign country. Anyway, getting tired. Road trip time in the golf cart. Get ready for a long-standing video of just showing cars. Because we've only seen how much now?
About half.
About half, and I'm probably on day 30 of the videos. So they're just gonna keep coming until we're done. Because we love it. All right, we're driving to where we left off.
Where we put Eric in the ditch.
You're really lightening up in the videos, I gotta say. We put Eric in the ditch. All right, now I gotta show that video since you mentioned that. Excuse my shaking. Someday I'll have a steady cam. It's getting a little annoying that I haven't gotten it yet. You've seen all that.
So in this lane too, just so you know, the remainder of the lanes, the cars are grouped according to manufacturer. That's a showroom over there. These are part of the collection right here, and you'll notice they're all Chevys.
What's the limo? Whose limo is this? Anybody special?
That belongs to the owner. It's part of the collection. This is the other thing I was telling you about, Bill. The owner of this place and these cars, he's got the world's largest collection of Nickelodeons and these big band organs. You can see him at the American Treasure Tour down in Oaks.
American Treasure Tour down in Oaks.
Yeah, it's a paid tour where he's got another 100 cars of his, plus motorcycles. Then you go to the second section, it's all the Nickelodeons and big band organs. And then the third section is all this circus memorabilia, full-size merry-go-rounds, concession stands, signage from all over the local area.